Thanks for checking out my channel today. I am into another craft. I am going to get back to my quilting, but I just wanted to decorate this Kleenex box for a party I have coming up. So come along with me and I'll show you how I put this together. I'm going to design it and have some fun here. I made a rope bowl out of this fabric and I really loved that. And so I thought I only have a little bit of this fabric left and I thought it would be perfect for this Kleenex box top. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and outline the box and get this cut out. So now I just want to find out where that circle is on this fabric, and that piece that I took out is the perfect template because it fits in there perfect. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to bring this over, but I thought about just trying to guess it, but why do that when we can just do this? I just put it in there. You can feel that it fits into the grooves just like it is supposed to. And I'm going to draw a line around that and cut that out. Here are the bookmarks that I just bought. I can leave a link to these if anybody would like to have these. These are pretty neat. They're wooden, and my plan was to make a bunch of bookmarks with fabric, and that did turn out okay, but not great. So now I'm left with all these sticks, and I thought, what a neat way to use these sticks up. And oddly enough, they fit perfect. I don't have to cut them down to fit the box. The width is fine, the length is not. So I just measured one and they cut so easy with my scissors, which is great. I could measure exactly how many I need, but I never seem to like to do it that way. I just like to cut out a few of them, and then if I need more, I just do more. So I'm going to go ahead and go through here, get a bunch of them cut up, and get ready to glue them down. I'm going to be using my cordless glue. My cordless glue gun that I really do love. If anyone is in need of a glue gun, this thing works great, and it's kind of nice to not have a cord attached. While I'm working on this, I will tell you, I just received Missouri Star Quilt Company's the Peacemaker quilt. It's the block of the month, but now that it's older, um, I got the entire year in one package. So I am just having so much fun with this quilt. And if you love to do a project like that, it's called the Peacemaker quilt. I had thought about trying to show little spots of me working on it, but I get so deep involved in it when I'm working on it. Jenny and her daughter, they just made this so easy to work on. Here's a picture of the quilt. Also, I want to let you know that I do have two other quilts in the background that I'm working on that I hope to share with you really soon. I have been watching a lot of things from Jenny from Missouri Star where she talks about quilting, and one of the things she said is we start quilting because we need a quilt, and that was my case. I needed a quilt for my bed. Had no idea what I was doing. And after I made the first quilt, I was so addicted to quilting. I love the cutting, the sewing, the pressing, all of it. It has completely changed my life as far as my hobby. It is something I do almost daily. Another idea would be, and I haven't done it yet to this one, but you could cut the bottom out. And so when the Kleenexes are gone, you would be able to just put a new stash of Kleenex in there. So I'm going to give that a try. When I do cut the bottom of the box, I'm not going to cut the whole thing out. I think I'm just going to make it big enough to fit another amount, the same amount of Kleenex in the box that it came with. That way it'll have a little support. I love how this ends up being a perfect fit. I did not plan on that. I figured it would come out uneven, but look at that, just perfect. This one almost didn't fit, but I think it's close enough. I'm going to let it go. By the time I put the other one on, there is a little edge there. I could cut that edge off, but it's so close. I'll have to make a decision on that. You could also take paint and paint the wood, which would really look neat. You could add rope, which I am going to add a little bit of rope to the top, just to kind of take away from the rough edges. What a fun way to do a box if you want something just a little bit different in your decor. You could put flowers on it. You could just do any colors you want. It's just so fun. This one was just a little bit too long. It was so close, but the scissors cut it really well. So I thought I'd just trim off that little piece. I am just loving how this turned out. Here I was trying to decide what rope to use. I love this type of rope, but I also had some white rope that I was thinking about using as well. So I just kind of like to play around with it and see which one I like the looks of best. I really like how that is spun, the twisted look. It looks so good. So I think that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to go all the way around all four sides. I'm going to put a little tape on the end because, as we know with rope, it likes to split apart and get fuzzy. So what I'm going to do is cut most of that off. And when you cut most of it off, you barely even see the little tiny piece of plastic left. You could measure it and have the exact like my husband would do, or you could do it like I do and just, hold it up there and kind of guess. Oddly enough, that works more times than it doesn't. Back in the days when I used to wallpaper, that was how I did it every time. I would just hold it up there and see how far I needed and cut it off and go for it, making sure to leave it long enough on each end so I could trim it. And then I'm just going to continue and do the same all the way around. I'm going to put a little bit of glue there and then anchor that down. This was so much fun. This makes me want to do all of my Kleenex boxes from now on. And the nice thing about it too is you can reuse it. You can just take the, once they're empty, just refill it. So how fun. You can, do it any way you want. We had a little Easter get together and I had my box sitting there. So just a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And here are a couple extra videos for you to click on if you'd like to do that. Thanks for watching.